I started using cardboard because I wanted to work on bigger scale installations, because it was something that was cheap, available everywhere. Usually this is not the final material, that's a step to the creation of something different. But for me it was a final step, and I decided to work and transform the cardboard in a way that is usually used for more precious material. I like the idea that to take a little part of this cardboard that it became an industrial material and put it back to its origin, which is the forest. It's a very powerful subject when you start working on it, because it's something that talks to everybody. You have so many myths about journey, about finding the truth, or as an image of the mind, an image of the sense of being lost or finding your way. It's like in my work, you have layers of interpretation. And so it's true that it's a blessed subject because it's something that has no bottom, it's endless, and everyone will see something from a different point of view. There is this beautiful word that is used for painters in French, which is repenti, which is the repentance, and it's a word that painters use when they paint something and then they don't like it anymore and then they cover it up. And with this material, this is something you can do all the time. Nothing is definitive. It's always can be changed.